Hello, my crafty friends, and welcome back to Embellishments on the 11th. This is hosted by Deb Hauk of Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage. And today I have some beautiful pink and turquoise and silver sentiment pieces for Christmas cards. 'Tis the season to sparkle. This was from a set from Queen & Company. And I use silver embossing powder and my tapestry stamp. This one, I stamped turquoise first, and then I went ahead and embossed. I used my turquoise ink and the Recollections silver embossing powder and my heat gun. I also have my Versamark clear ink and my embossing buddy. I went ahead and did these in turquoise, and then I matted it with pink because I will be using my Silent Night collection to make cards with these. So stay tuned for that. Make sure after this one that you watch everybody else. There are several participants this month, so make sure to go see what they made for their projects, Christmas cards, what have you. It's sure to be fun. See you later. Bye-bye.